Hi everyone. I'm just doing a quick follow-up video here. Hopefully I can get some of this a little bit better in focus. You can see the pen. This is one of the new pens I got. I did a video on previously. The LIY Future Purple Provence is this pen. And I got another one, Blue Enchantress. I did clean it, inked it up. Right now it has Noodler's Purple ink in it. The pen is 4 3/4 inches long, just as it is in this image. It's about 4 5/8 without the cap and posted 5 3/8. And it's really quite comfortable to write with. I did just a smidgen, I mean like a whisper of smoothing on the nib, almost nothing at all, and it writes really well. One thing it seems different is that this is much more of a fine than most of the Chinese pen nibs. This is a Schmidt nib on here, and I think, which I guess is European, and I think their nibs are finer than Chinese designated fine nibs. If you look at them, you can see it's definitely much smaller, and I'm just taking a little bit of getting used to that, as I'm more used to writing with medium nibs or the Chinese fine, which are more like medium nibs. So, anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I'm still loving this pen. It is, it's got this little, one thing that's funny about this little button on here is when you unscrew the cap, the button ends up being on the bottom for when you're writing. But it's kind of nice because it does keep it from rolling. It's just enough to keep it from rolling off the paper. Oh, and yeah, this paper rocks. This is the paper that Chris spoke about in one of her videos that comes from CVS. It's loose leaf paper. And as a quick note, I did, I needed some notebooks, so I got a few of theirs just to check the paper out in the others. They have a writing tablet. The paper in that sucks. It's completely different from the loose leaf. They're notebooks. They're spiral notebooks. The paper is a little bit better. It's closer, but still gets some feathering and bleed through. But the one that's really good, along with the the loose leaf paper for writing with fountain pens, is the these things, the composition books, Calibre composition books. And the paper in this is wonderful. It's just as good as the loose leaf paper. And it is, I don't know if this makes a difference or not, but you can see here the information on here. Number 137143, copyright 2016, made in Vietnam. Got it from CVS. I got a couple of them. I tested it out. And here I did some testing. This is Noodler's Black Swan and Australian Roses, and it's in an Ahab, and it just, like, the ink really pours out of here. This is ditto with the Conrad Marianas with Noodler's Turquoise. This is the Jinhao X750 with Diamond Steel Blue. These are all really wet writing, so I tested them on this paper. And I'll see if I can turn the page here with just one hand, and you can see nothing bled through. A little bit of ghosting, but not much. And, this paper is, it's composition paper. It's not super thick. So anyway, that's a little follow-up on that. But mostly, I just wanted to let you know about how this particular pen is turning out. And it turns out wonderful. I love it. And I've ordered a few samples of blue inks to test out for the other pen. That's the blue one that came with us. Again, this is the LIY Future. Oh, here it says LIY Future Purple Provence. I got this on eBay. They actually do have, there's one called, I think, Coral or Coral Sea or something, that's mostly blue with some reds and swirly stuff in it that looks good, and one that's like I think it's just white. So there are at least 4 different color variations as far as the pen body goes. And I am loving this pen. It's now become one of my favorites. So that's it for now. Like I said, a quick little video update on that and how it's writing and how it's working out. And as soon as I get the samples of the blue inks, I'll do another one on the other LIY Future pen as well. Okay, and definitely check out that paper, the loose leaf paper and the composition books from CVS Pharmacy if there's one near you, because the ones I got are just awesome. I'm transferring all of my notes over to one of the composition books for my pen notebook. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.